If you want to share your work on a coding project with other people, you will want to use remote repositories, also known as remote repos. Note that the word remote here simply means the project exists somewhere online, like GitHub or GitLab, so that they can be shared. Let me show you how to get your project online. GitHub and GitLab are two popular remote repository services. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GitLab to create a Git remote repository. So step 1, you want to create a blank project, and you're going to give it a name. I will call it project. And make sure that I choose it to be private. And I'm not going to initialize it with a README file. Click Create Project. So now you have made your first remote repository. This repository is empty. Let's connect this with this project repository that we have here. So I'm going to do the following steps. I will need to configure my username and my email address. Next up, I'm going to follow steps to push to an existing folder. I'm already in my project folder, so I'm going to follow the steps. I will type in git init -- initial branch equals main. Okay, and then I will use the following command, git remote add origin. I'm going to copy this part so I don't mess up the link. What this command does is that you are setting a remote repository connection to this project you have locally, and you are naming this repo origin for now. And this is the address where it lives online. Press Enter. So now I have just connected these two repositories. Once you are in your project repo, you can use the git remote command to find the server name of its remote repo. Let's check it out. So I'm going to type git remote. It returns origin, and that is the short name of the remote repository which we set right here. I can also use git remote --v to find out the details of this remote repository. If I want to see more information of this remote repo, I can type git remote show origin or whatever name you have for the remote repo. So it will return information because right now the repo is empty. It doesn't actually show a lot. If you ever want to change the name of a remote repository, you can do this. Type git remote rename and the old name, which is origin, and the new name. I'm going to name this project. Press Enter. So now type git remote again. You should get the new name. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.